First, is the core idea correct? Yes, partially. What it gets right? Neuropathy, nerve damage, often develops slowly over years. Blood flow, movement, and nerve signaling do matter. Gentle, targeted exercises can help with circulation, balance, coordination. Movements like sit to stand, ankle mobility, and balance work are genuinely useful, so the general direction is good. But here's where it overreaches. The video makes a few claims that aren't fully accurate. 1. Walking and stretching can make it worse. That's misleading. Only overdoing it or walking with severe pain is a problem. 2. These 5 exercises are what doctors secretly use. Not really. These movements are basic rehab exercises, commonly used in physiotherapy. But they're not special or hidden techniques, just good fundamentals. Decreasing 3. Targeted movements can restore nerves. This is exaggerated. Truth. Nerves heal very slowly. Exercise can reduce symptoms, improve function, but it usually does not fully reverse nerve damage. And what actually helps neuropathy, real evidence-based view, a combination of 1. Blood sugar control. Especially important even in prediabetes. One of the biggest causes of nerve damage. The burst under either 2. Movement. Very important. Best types. Walking, strength training, balance exercises, foot activation, like toe movements. 3. Nutrition. Vitamin B12 deficiency is common. Magnesium, healthy fats. 4. Medical evaluation. Possible causes include diabetic neuropathy, vitamin B12 deficiency, sciatica, medication side effects. Here's about those 5 exercises. Are they useful? Yes, but think of them like this. Helpful, keep them. Toe movements, improve foot awareness. Towel scrunches, strengthen foot muscles. Ankle mobility, improve circulation. Sit to stand, excellent for overall strength. Be careful with nerve glides, helpful if done gently, can irritate nerves if done aggressively. The most important takeaway. If you only remember one thing, neuropathy is not just about exercise, it's mostly about metabolic health, plus circulation, plus consistency. On your simple, practical plan, better than the video. Walk 15-30 min daily, do 10 sit to stands, 30 seki balance, each leg. Add light foot exercises like toe lifts. Avoid long periods of sitting. Check blood sugar, B12 levels. Final honest verdict. The video, motivating but slightly exaggerated. The exercises, good but not magical. Real progress. Small daily habits over time.